welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming another thrift with me. So I'm getting ready to go drop off some things to donate, and then I'm gonna head inside and see what I can find. So I recently mentioned to you guys that I have a very own booth of my own at my favorite thrift and antique store. So I've been going into places trying to find things that are unique that I want to incorporate into my booth, but also into my home as well. So I have been fortunate enough to find some really cool pieces lately. So I found some furniture, which I shared in a previous video. So I'll have that video linked down below if you're interested in checking that out. But anyway, I haven't been thrifting, it seems like, in almost 2 weeks, which is a long time for me. So normally I go at least once or twice a week, and it's been a little bit with the holiday season and whatnot to kind of came to a halt. So anyway, I'm back at it. Like I said, I'm getting ready to go donate some stuff, and I'm going to check out at least 2, maybe 3 thrift stores, and we will go from there. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump into this thrift with me. far it's been a, I would say, pretty successful thrifting trip. So I've only been to 2 places so far. One of them was local to me, and then the other one was the Goodwill, as you guys saw. So when I get home, I can absolutely share a thrift haul. So this is going to be a pretty decent sized thrift haul, so I'm super excited. So stay tuned for that portion of today's video. So I do want to mention something about thrifting, and I shared a video about this like back in the fall of 2020. So thrifting is definitely a hit or miss situation. You never know what you're going to find. You can leave with a ton of things, or you can leave with absolutely nothing. So I always encourage people to stay very consistent when it comes to thrifting. That way you can find some really good things. So I have been thrifting for, oh my gosh, I don't know, a really long time now, several years, and it is one of my absolute favorite things to do. So if you've never tried thrifting, I highly encourage it. Check out some local places, check out the bigger places like Goodwills and things like that, Salvation Armies. You never know what you're going to find, but I do highly encourage you to stay consistent if you're wanting to find some really good things. All right, you guys, so it is actually a couple days later when I'm filming the thrift haul portion of today's video. So I did only go to 2 different thrift stores the day that I went thrifting. I went to Goodwill, and then I also went to a local location as well. So the items that I'm about to show you are more on the neutral side, but there are also a couple pieces that are more colorful and just bright for the summer months if you're interested in that. So let's go ahead and dive into this thrift haul. Okay, so the first item I want to show you is this pillow that I found at the Goodwill. So it is more neutral, like I said, but then there's also some pops of orange in there that I think, it kind of reminds me of like the terracotta color, which is really pretty for the summer. I use terracotta pots all summer long with my plants. That's like my favorite pots to use. And then you can also use this in the fall if you wanted to, for just that little pop of orange if you're interested in that. But I think this is a really cute pillow, and I do want to mention all of these items that I'm going to be showing you for the locals. If you are watching this, these will be for sale in my booth and also at the vendor event that I'm in June. So actually next weekend is when it is, and I'm super excited about that. But for those of you who aren't local, all of these pieces are really fun finds, and check out your local thrift stores. You never know what you can find. Okay, so this next piece I want to share is actually this canister. So it's a little tea canister. It's really cute and dainty. It does seal really well, so you can keep tea in there if you want to. So anyway, I found this, and it actually has a TJ Maxx sticker on the bottom. So it's basically brand new. It looks brand new. It's in great condition. There's no chips or cracks or anything like that. So anyway, really, really cute find. Okay, so this next thing I want to share with you guys is actually this little bowl. So it was by the dishware, but my thought for it was to use it as a planter. So it is that terracotta color, like I said, that I really like. And they also had this in like a deep blue as well. But I think this is really cute. Like I said, you can use it as a planter, or you can use it in your kitchen as dishware. But anyway, I thought this was really cute, and it goes really good with that pillow too. So let me show you that real quick. Okay, so how cute would this be if you had this sitting on your couch, and then you had this on like an end table or something, and you had a little faux plant in it? I think the two of these go really, really well together. Okay, so every time I go to thrift stores, I always look in the basket section, because you never know what kind of shapes or sizes of baskets that you will find. And I have been selling these like crazy, this like H shape. I'm sure there's a proper term for this size of basket and shape, but anyway, I find these pretty frequently. So I had to pick up this little one, and I think it's really cute. So you can throw some greenery in there. You can even put like some faux plants, or I don't know, maybe even like books or something if you wanted to stack them in there. That'd be kind of neat. So anyway, I found this. Like I said, all of these items will be up for grabs next week. Okay, so this next thing that I found is actually really cute. So it is more of a kind of vintage farmhouse style little like key rack holder. So it actually has the tag on the back. So it looks like it originally came from Kohl's, and it was $39.99. So anyway, found this today. You can put little pictures in it. I believe, I don't know what size pictures these are. It says 3x3. So there's 3x3 pictures that you can put in there. Like I said, you can put this in like an entryway or something, by a back door or anything like that. But I thought this was really cute. It's brand new, but it does have that aged look, which is really cute. And I know that's popular right now. So I had to pick this up. I really like this piece. Really cute. Okay, so on the whole like dishware trend, I know earlier I showed that bowl. This is a stack of white bowls. So every time I go thrifting, I always look for white dishes because I know those are really popular. Anyway, so I found these for a really good price. So you can find these for like 50 cents. You can find them for $1 a piece. And like I said, I found these in a stack. So there's nothing wrong with them. They are in great condition. They have a little bit of detail on the edge there, like you can see. And these go like crazy. So I actually found a stack of plates recently, and I had them in my booth for a short amount of time. Somebody bought all of them, which was awesome. But white plates, you just can't go wrong. They are really neutral, obviously. You can style them throughout each season. If you like to have your table set, you can add the fall colors, you can add Christmas colors, spring, all of it. So I like to find white dishes. It's something that I always hunt for. Okay, so again with the glasses and dishware. So I found this bottle and I think it's really unique. I really like the pattern that is on there, and it's that tinted blue color that I really like. So I didn't film a spring home tour this year, but one of the pieces in my home is actually a really, really large blue tinted vase, and I have florals in it. So you can either style this as is, it just has a cork on the top, or you can remove the cork and put a flower pick in there. I think that would be really cute, especially for spring and summer. It'd be a great piece to style on like a table or some shelves or something like that. But I found this and I just couldn't pass it up. So okay, so the last two pieces I'm going to share with you guys are more pops of color. So again, with the dishware, so I've been finding these glasses just about everywhere in all different colors. So this is more of the emerald green take. I found 3 of these yesterday actually, and I believe I shared them in a clip as well. But these are so pretty, and for someone who likes to stay neutral but might want some pop of color on occasion throughout the seasons, styling things like this in your home, especially in your kitchen, would be a great way to do that. So you can obviously use these, so they do serve a purpose, they are functional, but they also add a pop of color. So like I said, this is that emerald green color. I have also found them in blues. I have found like the amber glass, tints of yellow, all different colors. In one of the local thrift stores that I have, I always check because all of their glassware is 3 for $1. So you can't beat that at all. So definitely look at thrift stores if you're wanting some unique pieces of glassware. Okay, so this last piece I want to share with you guys is a larger piece that hangs on the wall. So it is definitely an acquired taste, but I think that this piece is beautiful. So it does have a place where you can hook it on the back to hang on the wall. But I recently went to a local vendor fair, and one of my favorite booths there had this exact piece, and I thought about buying it, but I wasn't sure where I would put it in my home. But anyway, yesterday when I went thrifting, I found this piece and I had to pick it up. So I'm going to be incorporating this into probably my booth. But I think this is really pretty. Definitely a great piece to style in your home for the spring and the summer. But it has these really pretty pops of blue, and then there is some of that like terracotta, like orangey color here in the center of the flowers. And I love all the detailing on the side as well. So anyways, a great piece to style in your home if you like the pops of color and just kind of something a little more unique. All right, you guys, so that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this thrift with me, plus this haul here at the end. I know there are some pretty fun pieces in here, and you never know, like I said, what you will find at thrift stores. I always highly suggest keeping it consistent when you go thrifting because you truly never know what you will find. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoy thrift hauls, affordable living, home decor, styling, all of those things, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed already, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you here as part of my YouTube community. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.